Good morning, student. Today we will start our next topic, that is customary international law. Customary means custom, from the custom that was following, that will obey by the international law also, as our municipal law is also following that. And according to Article 38 of the statute, that the International Court of Justice, whose function is to decide in accordance with the international law such disputes as are submitted to it, means they will decide their cases according to the custom which are already decided, which is given under Article 38 of the international law, as apply inter alia international custom, that will be applied as international custom. This source of public international law is described in the same article as the evidence of the general practice accepted as law, means in the same practice as an evidence the custom is following, that is also be followed by the international law. Under the international law, custom is followed. So this description of international custom, even though it has been criticized for its extent formulation, at least make clear that international custom generally refers to the description state practice, means what the state will practicing. So that law will also apply in the international law. But only such practice as is accepted by the state themselves as a legally required. But that custom must be legally required. That custom must be legally valid hona chahiye, tabhi that custom will be followed in international law. Once a certain practice is understood to the customary law, states are obliged to act as rule of customary international law prescribed. Once that custom will be followed, then state will have a duty to follow that custom. They have duty to follow that custom. So international customary law is probably the most disputed. This was a very controversy topic, which custom will follow, which custom is not followed, discussed as a source of international law. It was also discussed as a source of international law, one of the source. Custom ko liya gaya tha. For example, it is not clear when a particular state practice become a legally binding state practice, that particular custom will be followed or not. For example, it is given that मानना चाहिए कि नहीं मानना चाहिए. So it is also unclear how one can identify a rule of international custom. How one can clear that? How can one identify that what custom is that practiced हो रहा है कि नहीं, existence में है कि नहीं? How one can know that? So that custom will be predictable or unknown. Nextly, it was given that next topic, that is international law and municipal law. Okay, this topic is important for examination also, that what is the difference between international law or how they can complement to each other. International law means law related to the nation to nation. Municipal law means your domestic law of the state जो आप follow करते हो, तो that is your municipal law जो अभी तक पढ़ते आए हैं, how it is compared to the international law. So the interplay between the municipal and international law is very complex topic. It is very complex topic. Some author believes that international law and domestic law also refer to the municipal law. Means some jurisdictions, some authors says that domestic jurisdiction law will be called as municipal law and local law of the country. Do not interact or are completely different identities which cannot affect or overrule to each other. Means both are having importance in their own sphere. दोनों की importance है. Both are not overruled to each other. However, in practice, but it seems not true. But in practice, it is not true. We predict that the international is the highest level of the code. So international law को हमको मानना चाहिए. But there are some principles that are clear as this conflict between international law and domestic law is concerned. There are some principles which shows that there will be a conflict between international and municipal law. Conflict है between. Municipal law, next para, municipal law cannot serve as a defense to a breach of international law. We cannot say that municipal law breached the international law. That is, you cannot use domestic law to justify to breach the international one. You cannot say that you will apply municipal law, हम अपना law system अपनाएंगे. We cannot follow the international law. Neither one can say that their consent to the treaty has invalidated or by way of change its municipal law. Now, no one can say that the municipal law can be changed. Municipal law को change कीजिए according to the international law. Similarly, the International Court of Justice is also stated that lack of domesticalization cannot be brought up as a defense if there is an international obligation on the state not to do a certain act. Means Some court, international court is also brought that defense accordingly. So some cannot say that international law will have a certain duties. There have been various cases on point of that international law is prevalent over the domestic law. There are some certain cases which shows that international law is given more importance in spite of the domestic law. However, it does not mean that domestic relation carry no force. But ये नहीं कहा जा सकता कि domestic law, municipal law having no importance, but they are also having some importance or more importance in their own jurisdiction. So some international treaties require that the country adopts domestic legislation in their line, and some agrees that they will adopt the international law. Means both are having their own sphere of importance, है ना, दोनों की importance है. Owning to such institution required that there is a blurring of the distinctions between international and municipal law. But some jurists says that there will be a difference between international and municipal law. Means domestic court have also started analyzing the international obligation of a state in domestic disputes. So in countries such as United Kingdom, there is a doctrine of transformation. Take out this line, doctrine of transformation. This question may come, what do you understand by transformation? Means states that before any international agreement can be considered applicable domestically, it must be transformed into the municipal law. When you are applying international law, तो international law को फर्स्टली ये देखना पड़ेगा कि वो उनके स्टेट का डोमेस्टिक लॉ क्या कहता है. They have to transform their views into the domestic law. This means that the provision of treaty need to be transformed into the local law. Passing a domestic legislation with concurrent provision as the international obligation means domestic law legislation को अपनाते हुए उसको फॉलो करते हुए then they will decide the case under the international law. Similarly, in the United States of America, the position is the customary international law is federal law, and if the federal court in the US determines it to be binding, then it's binding on the state court as well. Similarly, this will be followed in the United States of America, that they will follow the international law as a federal court. Means they will obey the state government also. Federal court means they will follow the rules of state and the central, दोनों को follow करेंगे. So as well as when the decision is taken under the America, United States of America, they have to see that they will binding on the state also. However, no act or legislature may be invalidated mainly on the basis on the violation of customary international law. They cannot regard as an invalid law. So the US Supreme Court believes that there should be respectful consideration to be given to the interpretation of international treaties. However, a domestic rule to the contrary would be given supremacy over those provisions. Means USA Supreme Court has believed that respectfully consideration will be given to the domestic laws. So means US की government ने भी कहा कि you have to give the importance to the state provisions or state treaties, and America is also following the state policies because they are following the federal court system. So we cannot say, in conclusion, we cannot say that international court will be supremacy over the domestic law. They both are given an importance, they both are having the importance in their own sphere. Clear? So this will be the contradictories or this will be complementary. Your question may become that how the both courts are complementary to each other. So your question will be there of 5 marks or 6 marks. Clear? Now, thus it can be clearly understood that they have their own method of dealing with application of international law to its jurisdiction. The provision of international law are often used to supplement various propositions of the domestic law when they are both concurrent with each other. So we have seen that both are concurrent to each other. However, when there is a dispute between international law को follow करेगी domestic law को, so supremacy of either depends mainly on the forum. किस forum में गया है? Like the case will goes in the domestic law, so domestic law will given the importance. When the case will goes to this international law, then international law has given the importance. That is where the case is being contested. कहाँ पे केस हुआ है उस फोरम को देखते हुए इम्पोर्टेंस दी जाएगी. International forum generally gives the preference to the treaty law and other international sources, whereas domestic forum gives their own jurisdiction, है ना. इंटरनेशनल अपने लॉ को इम्पोर्टेंस देगी इफ़ द केस विल बी come in their jurisdiction, केस उनके jurisdiction में, then they give their own importance to that case, treaties को importance देंगे, but if the case will be contained in the domestic jurisdiction of the local law, है ना, municipal law के अंदर contain हुआ है, jurisdiction उनकी है, that law will be followed. Clear how they both are complementary to each other, और कोई भी एक दूसरे के सुपरमसी नहीं है. Both are given an importance under the law, है ना, both courts are given an importance. Both law system will be followed by, means domestic law will be followed in the domestic, municipal law, domestic state-wise laws will be followed up, or international means nation to nation given the law. So both are having their own importance.